What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a nursery organization and declutter video. I've been putting this off for a very long time and I have the day off. I just dropped Rylee off to work. I just dropped Rylee off to school and this is the only opportunity that I have to tackle her room without being interrupted. So I have a bunch of clothes that I need to go through, toys that I need to go through, books, you name it. So that is what we are going to be tackling today. My home's a mess and I need to get it done. So yeah, let's get started.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. Gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
So these are the books that I did not put back up. I think I'm going to, well, this one could be thrown away. It's just like ripped and stuff like that. And I don't even know where the pages are. And these are all in good shape. So I figure I can give these away to the Goodwill. This is actually supposed to be a gift, like a Christmas gift for a friend. And all these books in the back are actually ones that are definitely too old for her right now. So I figured I would pack these away and bring them out when she's a little bit older where she can fully sit through like a longer book. We still have a good amount of books that are still up on the wall, but these days she really just likes to read the same book over and over and over again. So that's basically where we're at. So it makes no sense to just keep all these books up here.
I got your letter, guess this is better. You win sometimes, lose sometimes, no need to apologize. It was the distance we had between us. You broke us down in disguise, no need to apologize. Ooh, 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 ooh. But I can't help that I miss you now, and I need to reminisce this, cause we're still at our moments and they keep coming back to me. I can't help that I miss you now. I can't help that I miss you now.
As for her clothes, this pile I am going to try and give away to the Goodwill, where I can basically just like try and sell her clothes back. I have a cute bathing suit, and I think I actually have another one. I do need to still go up and go through those two bins and see what else I could possibly give away. This stuff, I actually do need to fold this one, but this stuff is a little bit, I don't know, like not dingy, but I don't really want to throw it away just yet. So some of it's too small for her, so I figure I will set this aside possibly for her, you know, the next baby. And this is way too small for her as well. It's basically just a towel like robe thing, and I don't think she's going to necessarily wear this. She just has too much hair at this point. So I will probably store all of this stuff away. This stuff is definitely too big for her. Some of the stuff she was actually able to wear this past summer, which I'm hoping that she might be able to fit into some of it next summer. So I just want to hold on to that. And that stuff over there is just way too dingy. I can't give it away. I don't want to keep it. So it's going to get thrown out.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright, like a ricochet.
Okay guys, so I think I have about 20 more minutes. I clearly am not finished decluttering and organizing her room, but I did want to at least show you the progress that I did with her clothes and everything like that. So this is going to be the pile of clothes that I'm going to save for next summer. A lot of them I think she might be able to fit into. I'm just not sure, because you know with toddlers, they start to slim down and maybe get into clothes that they might have been a little bit too chubby for the previous season. So I'm going to hold on to all of these. And then this pile is a pile that I am going to save and store downstairs in the basement. Some of this stuff I actually tried giving it away or like selling it to that Goodwill store, but they just didn't take it. So I'm just going to hold on to some of these. And then this is the pile of stuff that I'm going to try and sell. If not, then give away to the Goodwill, because I just don't really think that she's gonna wear it, clearly. And then I also don't think it's something that I need to keep and hold on to. So hopefully I can at least sell most of this and then give it away. We typically do the lupus fund, so I need to pack all of this stuff up. And then this is just the pile of things that are just so dingy, dirty, that just need to be thrown out. There's no saving it whatsoever. And then I do have a couple of like teddy bear stuffed animals, things like that, that I am also going to give away to the Goodwill and to kids in need.
It's way too easy to